Hello everyone, my name is Radwa. Today I'm gonna talk about database. First, I will outline what is database management system, and how they are related to each other. What is database? A database is information that is set up for easy access, management, and updating. Computer database typically store aggregations of data records or files that contain information, such as sales or transaction, customer data, financials, and the product information. Database Management System, a DBMS, enable users to create and manage a database. It also helps users create, read, update, and delete data in a database, and it assists with logging and auditing functions. The DBMS provides physical and logical independence from data. Users and applications do not need to know either the physical or logical locations of data. A DBMS can also limit and control access to database and provide different views of the same data schema to multiple users. Learn more about the state of data management today and how database fit in. So, as I mentioned, a database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system, DBMS. Together, the data and the DBMS, along the applications that are associated with them, are referred to as database system, often shortened to just database. So now we can outline what is the usage of database. Databases are used for storing, maintaining, and assessing any sort of data. They collect information on people, places, or things. That information is gathered in one place so that it can be observed and analyzed. Database can be thought of as an organized collection of information.
Now let's get deeper into our topic here. Of course, if you want to know something, you must get deeply into its components. 1. Hardware. This is the physical device that database software runs on. Database hardware includes computers, servers, and hard drives. 2. Software. Database software or application gives users control of the database. Database Management System (DBMS) software is used to manage and control databases. 3. Data. This is the raw information that the database stores. Database administrators organize the data of make it more meaningful. 4. Data access language. This is the programming language that controls the database. The programming language and the DBMS must work together. One of the most common database language is SQL. 5. Procedures. This is rules determine how the database works and how it handles the data. After all we mentioned before, all of us is wondering what is the importance of all of this, how all of these components going to help us practically. Of course, it's so important. Let me now mention clearly what is the importance of database. 1. Improved efficiency. Database management systems are essential for businesses because they offer an efficient way of handling large amount and multiple types of data. The ability to access data efficiently allow companies to make informed decisions quicker. 2. Versatility. Database management systems are incredibly versatile. They can be accessed on computers, tablets, and even mobile devices. 3. Multi-access. A database management system makes it possible for multiple authorized users to access the same database from different places in different ways to fulfill different intents. For instance, an HR admin can evaluate yearly salary raises by accessing employees' percent pay, and increment increase decided by their manager determines that amount. At the same time, the development team can access the same database to recruit a temp to replace a team member who has fallen ill. 4. Allowing categorization and structuring of available database. Database management systems allow organizations and individuals to categorize and structure available data. For instance, a database for a university can store students' admission information, e.g., name, expected graduation year, nationality, and can also save student grades and GPA.
Although database is so cool and important, it has to face some challenges. What are database challenges? Data security is required because data is a valuable business asset. Protecting data stores requires skilled cybersecurity staff, which can be costly. Data integrity ensures data is trustworthy. It's not always easy to achieve data integrity because it means restricting access to databases to only those qualified to handle it. Database performance requires regular database updates and maintenance. Without the proper support, database functionally can decline as the technology supporting the database changes or as the data it contains changes. Database integration can also be difficult. It can involve integrating data sources from varying types of databases and structures into a single database or into lakes and data warehouses.
Same as everything in the world, everything must have advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: reduced data redundancy, reduced updating errors and increased consistency, greater data integrity and independence from applications programs, improved data access to users through use of host and query languages, improved data security, reduced data entry, storage and retrieval costs, facilitated development of new applications program. Disadvantages: database systems are complex, difficult, and time-consuming to design. Substantial hardware and software startup costs. Damage to database affects virtually all applications programs. Extensive conversion costs in moving from a file-based system to a database system. And finally, initial training required for all programmers and users.